Morning. So welcome to my, let me brush my teeth, that's so rude. Okay, so now that my breath is fresh, I'm Amy Serrano and I'm super excited to be doing a way in my life. I have a YouTube channel of my own actually, and what you guys can find there is super dewy, glowy, bronzy makeup looks, as well as tips on how to find your personal style and also some travels. So today is not like the normal way in my life, but it actually kind of is. So I've been traveling a lot and I feel so fortunate to be able to do that. So today is going to be like a way in my life, but also like a getaway. So I am in Sayulita, Mexico. So it's already 9 a.m. I stayed up really late editing videos. I think it was like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. and I was also like really stuffed off tacos, but I'm gonna do a little face mask because I feel like I'm breaking out. I don't know if it's like the amount of sweat and sunblock and stuff that's going on, or my period coming. It could be either or. I actually packed super minimal this trip because, like I said, I just am here to kind of like edit, hit up the beach a few times, so like, and work out and like eat semi-healthy, semi-good. I love ceviche and like this town is really big on seafood. So I just brought a few little things. I brought my little white pouch. Oh yes, I did bring floss. I'm gonna use this right now to wash my face. This is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. And then I'm gonna use this. This is new from Versed. So swollen. What's funny is I don't really think this would be any different than my day at home. Like if I was back in Downey where I live. But my soul and my heart is just so happy in Mexico. So I booked myself a little Airbnb in this small beach town where I knew I wouldn't be tempted to go out. Because like if I'm in this, I'm like such a city dweller. I also want it to be by the beach because who doesn't love like a beach situation? I feel like salt ocean water is just so healing. I'm gonna change actually, and then we'll do a few little exercises out on my porch. Shower, wash this off, wash this mask off that I have in my hair, and we'll go get some breakfast. How does that sound? I feel like my face feels so nice after that mask. Now let's make some coffee. And I'm also gonna have an avocado that is freaking perfect. I'm actually gonna spend a lot of the time up on the roof editing. I think the sun is scheduled to come out. It's so cloudy right now. So I'm just gonna kind of organize some files and go through emails. Just brushing out my hair. This is by T3. And what I really like to do when I have the keratin, actually just like in general, this is one of my favorite whey products. This is the Wave Spray, the OG. This is like the product that made me fall in love with whey. So I'm just gonna spritz. And I always like to put a little bend in the front, so I'll twist these like this, and it creates like a little S wave when it dries. And then the rest can kind of just do whatever it wants. I'm just gonna put a little bit of shine. This is an oil mist by Nature Lab. See how like my hands are? I need a haircut so badly, but with a little oil, we can kind of disguise it. Yeah, so that is the hair. I'm not gonna do anything to the face. I forgot to add eye cream, so I'm gonna do that now. I love this. This is by Drunk Elephant. I love to use Supergoop sunscreen as well. Like I use this one, again, super great for traveling because you can use it all over the body. It's water and sweat resistant, which in humid climates you're sweating like crazy, and so that's why I like that one. And then like obviously you're like in the water most of the time if it's like a tropical vacation. Also, I brought these stickers. Should we like do this? I'm gonna tan on the rooftop right now as I edit. Should I do this, you guys? So here is the rooftop, the ocean, and now let's get to editing. You guys are not gonna want to watch this part, so you can kind of see it right here. You see that? But it kind of just like blends in with my stretch marks, honestly. So we're just gonna ignore that. I wasn't out there for too long. The Wi-Fi stopped working, so I'm actually gonna take advantage that it's down right now and go to La Playa. So vamos a La Playa. We're getting some mango here. Yes, it's pretty busy actually. I am walking back to the Airbnb out of breath because I'm gonna change into some workout clothes so we can work out, and I'm gonna show you guys that class. So I have my workout clothes on. I'm so excited about this class. I actually ran into this woman who had a yoga mat, and I was like, where are you doing yoga? And she's like, oh, I'm actually heading there right now. And I was already dressed because this is literally like what I've been wearing out here. And so I went with her, and it actually ended up being Zumba. Very different from yoga, but I actually really like Zumba too. So I'm back for the third time this week, and today we are working on la cinturita. So let's go. So I made it to the place where we're gonna work out. I will check in with you guys after. You guys are gonna see me bright red and sweaty. Encontré a Araceli primero y me dijo de esta clase y me encantó. Aquí está la instructora, la entrenadora. I'm like so sweaty. So now I am walking back to the Airbnb. I wanted to get some food over here, but they are closed. All the healthy food places are closed and all the taco stands are open. Over here I see 5 tacos for 60 pesos, más un agua, plus 1 water. It's not a bad deal, I don't know, looks kind of good. Let's see what we find to eat in the streets of Sayulita. Subway, just kidding. I brought the tacos back. I'm gonna eat in the patio. But I am gonna make myself a little tequila drink. Tequila. Water. Mineral water. Limes from yesterday's tacos. And just a few shots. It's like that meme, you know? Bloop, 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 bloop. We have my favorite. I always ask for tahini on the rim. Cheers. So this is the Gobernador, and it has marlin underneath. Yum. Love me some fish. And then this is arrachera. It looks really good. Some beans. I noticed in Puerto Vallarta they love just like straight up pinto beans. Some onion. And then these are some darker than my heart sauces. I said I was going to eat outside. But honestly, I'm not trying to get attacked by mosquitoes. I feel like nothing is spicy to me anymore. I like burn my taste buds from so much chile. You see that? So, now we're just gonna enjoy. Oh my god. Okay, so we are going out tonight. I'm gonna bring my cell phone with me. I don't want to bring this camera while I'm out. But we changed. This is what I'm wearing. I found this little jumpsuit at Target. Got my little disco jumpsuit ready for a little night out in Sayulita. I said I was not gonna go out on this trip, but you know, here we are. Met some friends, so a rumbear. We're like dancing in the rain. I'm about to sign up. I'm like out of breath from climbing that damn mountain. Literally, you guys know what you did. You know what you did. Look at these blisters. Blisters. You know what you did. Hopefully I didn't scare any of you viewers off. And if you guys come to Sayulita, check out my guide on my website. I will send it over to the weight team so they can post it. I can't even with how sweaty and wet this hair is. Okay, good night.